How are you guys doing tonight?
We love you, Tom!
Love you!
Alright, thank you, thank you.
We love you!
Are you good? You good? Okay. Alright, so the first song we're going to sing for you is a song called Teardrop by Newton Faulkner. Sorry, just prepping a bit. Alright, yeah. Love is a verb, love is a doing word, fearless on my breath, gentle impulsion shakes and makes me brighter, fearless on my breath, teardrop on the fire, fearless on my breath. Water is my most faithful mirror, fearless on my breath, teardrop on the fire of a confession, fearless on my breath, most faithful mirror, fearless on my breath, teardrop on the fire, fearless on my breath. You're stumbling in the dark, stumbling in the dark. And the second song is All I Got, from the same guy, same Faulkner. Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Sorry for that.
All I gotta do is sit around and wait. All I gotta do is not anticipate. Everything I said I should have taken back. Everything I do I should have made on track. And I know that you're thinking, and you know what's coming up. And everywhere I look Everything is looking so good, and everyone is you. And I know I tend to rush straight in, I just don't know where to begin. Everyone is you, everyone is. Hope that you find it.
All I gotta do is sit around. All I gotta do is not anticipate. Go.
All I gotta do is get my brain on track. All I gotta do is get my brain on track. And I know what you're thinking. And you know what's coming out. Everywhere I look, everything is looking so good, and everyone is you. And I know I tend to rush straight in, I just don't know where to begin. Everyone is you.
Whatever. Just sing it. And I hope that you find it.
Freedom is all that you want. I can see the silver lining.
Let's be here time after time, time after time.
After all, everywhere I look, everything is looking so good, and everyone is you. And I know I tend to rush straight in, I just don't know where to begin. Everyone is you, everyone is.
That's it. Sorry for the bad tuning.
Alright, thank you for letting us
Thank you.